Mr. Loverman by Shabba Ranks was recently certified silver in the United Kingdom. But what inspired the song, which was formerly called Champion Lover? Producer Gussie Clark shares the details in our FiWi Culture segment.
Champion lover, no he's up tonight. Well, champion lover, gonna make you feel alright.
In 1988, Champion Lover was a song that you produced, recorded by Deborahe Glasgow, who's now deceased. Where was the song recorded, and tell us how the backstory came about?
We were working with Greensleeve. They were the go-to place for reggae music in the UK. So I had a great relationship with the principal owner, Chris Sedgwick, and they had this great UK artist that they felt, we could have done something good with her. He sent her down, and we were working at the projects at my home in Meadowbrook. And the songs were even written in my house, where the entire team, the Carlton Hines, the Mikey Bennett, the Wupton Lindo, and Deborahe Glasgow all sat down and penned, most of the songs. We just felt that this was a great song, extremely great. Primarily it was Mikey Bennett and Wupton Lindo. And Deborahe, she was a darling.
They call me Mr. Loverman, they call me Mr. Lover. Mr. Loverman, they call me.
Do you recall what kind of doors it opened for her then?
Well, it brought her back to the front and the limelight in the UK and all over the world. It opened doors for me, for all of us. Me, she, Mikey, Bennett, Wupton Lindo, everybody where, eyes were on us musically. I recognized that, Shabba Ranks was evolving, but it was pretty much at a street level, and I felt that he had the ability to go way beyond that. Many other people felt that way, but I was just telling you about how I felt. And, we called him in to do a version called Mr. Loverman, and he came in, added his vocals to her vocals and all of that, and it took off. And later on, specialists them did a re-recording of it with Chevelle Franklin.
You won't get away tonight. The vibe that's flowing through me.
Alright, my side, that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Dre, before we leave, was both of our first times in Golden Grove. How was it for you?
Well, talking for both of us, I can say that the town was peaceful and nice, so I'm definitely looking forward to one day coming back.
For sure, man. The place quiet and nice, for real. I'm your boy Naldo Adi, and again, this is Dre. And again, we're closing out the show. But where will we be coming to you from next week? It may be one of these towns, but there's only one way to find out. See y'all next week. Until then, take care of yourself.